Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a professional-looking icon in Figma using a proper grid layout. Whether you're a designer aiming to sharpen your skills or just curious about how material design icons come together, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make polished, great-looking icons that fit perfectly into any modern UI. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma. If you're new to Figma, don't worry, it's a fantastic free tool for all levels of design, and I promise it's much more approachable than it might seem at first glance. Once you've got Figma open, the very first step is to add a layout guide to your canvas. And here, why that's so important, a proper grid isn't just about keeping things tidy. It helps your icons scale consistently and stay visually harmonious with other elements in your design. It's a bit like using graph paper in math class, everything just lines up and looks so much cleaner. To do this, select your frame, then hop over to the right sidebar and click on the plus sign next to Layout Grid. Now let's set our grid size. Enter 100px for the grid dimension. This means you'll have a 100 by 100 pixel square to work within, which is a standard size for crisp, sharp icons. Using this setup ensures your design sticks to common material icon guidelines, and your icons won't look fuzzy or off-center later on. Great, now that your grid is set up, let's move on to actually finding the icons you'll use or get inspired by. Head up to the top menu and look for Actions. Click on that and then select Plugins and Widgets. If you've never used plugins before, this is where Figma really shines because you can extend its capabilities in all sorts of ways. In the search bar, type in Material Icons. You're looking for a plugin called Material Design Icons. Go ahead and select that. If it's your first time, you might need to install it. It only takes a second. With the plugin open, you now have access to a huge library of material icons made to Google's design standards. Scroll through and find an icon you like, or maybe a couple if you want to play around and see what works best for your project. Simply drag an icon from the plugin onto your grid. Don't rush this part, take a moment to make sure it's well aligned within your 100 by 100 pixel square. If it looks like it's not sitting quite right, you can use Figma's alignment tools to nudge it into place until it feels balanced. Now comes my favorite part, customizing the icon. Select your icon and head over to the color controls. You can really make it your own here. Want to go classic and keep it black, or maybe try a bold accent color to match your brand? This is your chance to experiment. Just remember, choose a color that has enough contrast so your icon is easy to see at any size. And that's really all there is to it. Once you're happy with the color, you've successfully created your material icon in Figma using a precise grid. So to wrap things up, we opened Figma, set a 100px grid for uniformity, grabbed some official material icons through a plugin, and gave them new life with a fresh splash of color. It's simple once you know the steps, but these best practices make your icons much more professional. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, it means a lot. And if you have any questions or want to share your own icon designs, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more straightforward design tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.